Hello guys, and I welcome you all to another episode on how to solve it on MTN GH. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable different ringtones for each incoming call. We will have multiple options to choose from. How many ringtones we prefer and the interval we want. At the end of this video, you can leave all your comments behind and I shall be glad to answer each of them. Before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, then kindly hit the bell icon and like this video if you find it useful. Without much ado, now let's get started.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This life comes